So I'm just at this abandoned ski village. It's pretty cool, and it's golden hour and the sun's setting. Great for sun gazing. Getting the last hour before sunset, if you stare in the sun for starting from a few minutes, from like 10 seconds to a minute, and then you gently increase it up to like 45 minutes, and you can do that once a day, and you just get the sun's energy directly into your eyes, which doesn't actually cause damage like if you stare at it in midday. That's just a side note. Literally a hawk's just flown straight over here as well, and certain birds, if you read into like the spiritual significance of birds are basically considered like the messengers of the heavens, and each bird carries like an attachment to it. So if you like crows, if you see crows a lot, it's meant to be death of ego and death of habits that are destructing you or destroying you. And I've been seeing quite a lot of them, which was interesting because it's just been the end of the 4 months where about 5 planets have been in retrograde at certain points, and it's now going into 5 months where Jupiter and Uranus are doing something interesting, but I have forgot. But yeah, I've just seen a hawk, and I don't know what the significance of that is. So if anyone knows the significance of a hawk, let me know. But it's been quite hard to get out into nature recently, so I've made it my goal to get out here. It's been a lot more easier to stay inside for some reason. I do think it's the heavy energy though, and that's definitely lifting with this beautiful sunset. Also picking some blackberries, so organic blackberries for free, and berries like especially just really good for you. Like black and red ones are especially good for blood and like blood cleansing. So if you're near like berry bushes, they are literally the best way to get your berries, because you only need to eat them in, say, like not all the time. Just have a really like big go of berries, and you're probably cleaning a lot of yourself out, which is what a lot of the fruit sort of can do. So yeah, just got the camera on me for a change. But also just been looking at the sky, and there's these things called like sliffs, and basically they're sort of like a sort of spirit or something, and like they're a spirit of the sky. I'm just gonna like point up to some, but like they look like they've got wings, and like that one there sort of looks like an angel, like spreading its wings, or a bird just spreading its wings, or like a goose. It's such a nice sunset though. It's just that smooth, caramelly, crisp sunset. It's nice. But yeah, I'm sort of just trying to, basically at the start of this channel I'm going to give just a wide sort of range of topics, so it's going to look a bit chaotic I think, but then I'm going to hone down on the ones, just twist his mind, I'm going to hone down on the ones that I enjoy doing the most, I've got the most to say on, and yeah, just all that. I'm also aware I'm probably going to not have a lot of views for a very long time, so now's the time to do all the weird stuff, I guess. Yeah, these bushes are literally filled with berries. So many. I don't even feel greedy taking any. A bit better now. That's like 2 packs that you get for like £2 each. It's pretty crazy that you pay that, and they're not even organic. So yeah. Maybe make jam. Maybe just put them in like granola. We'll see. It's really still here as well. I like it. So this is the entrance. It looks pretty like retro there, but just It's a shame about the rubbish though. Just literally strewn everywhere, and some pretty weird creatures tied to the things. Well, it's actually Spider-Man, but you know, if you saw that in the middle of the night, you would drop a brick and run. So I've got my berries and the penny board. Just gonna see how it goes. And there she is, the moon, Isis, who else? So many more things. Set? No, that's Saturn. But yeah. I decided to just let it run free. That brings us literally straight back into a bit of the city. It's literally that close. Huge. I also used to be a lot more afraid of just getting about in like my own way, like about town. I used to, you know, think people were like staring at me, and like I'd basically try and conform in just like a weird way. I'm gonna run into like the whole of what I did, so I was just never really. So I just really never lived like an authentic moment in my life. Well, that's how it used to be for me to like be feeling like myself. I think that's why like a lot of people struggle so much with childhood, because they never really get in touch with who they truly are, and like family suppresses it. Some families. Also, a hack to hold your like penny board is if you just strap it behind like your two back straps, it literally just bounces on them and it gives you free hands. Just says if you've got one that's just really hot. Yeah, I think one thing that's good about YouTube is it allows people to really like put out what they sort of believe in and what sort of like help them in their lives, and like over time you can sort of watch yourself grow, and like you sort of evolve with the YouTubers you watch, I find. And think like, especially with like more spiritual YouTubers, you can really like if you start watching like tarot card readings, if you like resonate with the card reader, then like you just basically get the description of what she's saying or he's saying, like as they say it. It's really quite surreal, and like you sort of pay loads of money for it, but you just get it for free. It's like Synchronicity. I never used to believe it either. I just used to think it was just like messing with the dark side of like dark magic, but it's literally just Synchronicity. which basically everything in the universe is, because everything's just events, and we're guided towards certain events by like your higher self, and those synchronicities and like deja vus are like signs that you're getting guided to the right place and you're following your intuition. But yeah, with like angel numbers on clocks, so like seeing 1111, I always seem to see like 5 of the 11s every day. It's like 811, 1011, 1211, 1511, 1111. It's really uncanny, because like I'll just be sat on the computer and an hour will have gone by and I'll look down and it's just there like 1811, and it just slaps you in the face, and like it helps to wake you up from thinking that reality is just this set thing and it's unchangeable, because that couldn't be further from the truth. And then these are the berries. They're just like so, literally like the juice. That's just really like great for cleansing your blood, and the blood's one of the most important things to cleanse, especially for like the upcoming spiritual like times ahead. There's going to be a lot of spiritual tests from life, and it's good to have a clean vessel so you're thinking straight and healthy. And then yeah, this is the room. So that was the end of the video, but thank you for watching if you did, and I hope you got something useful from it. And yeah, as I said, I'm just going to be trying out a lot of different things at the minute, and really just trying to improve like the way the documentaries look, because the filming in this one was pretty poor at some points, just getting used to the camera still. So yeah, thank you for watching. This was Awaken, and I'll see you next time. Bye.